quick reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th. Sagittarius. Your cards are the Judgment, the Temperance, and the Star. Naku, lahat to major arcana, no? So something is gonna, parang gone big. Kasi meron ditong decision making na bakit hindi ko itry, no? Ba't hindi ko subukang umamin? Ba't hindi ko subukan, I think dito si person, no? Ba't hindi ko subukang aminin yung nararamdaman ko? Ba't hindi ko subukang mag-apologize, no? Meron dito mga bagay na gagawin si person. Medyo sabihin nating nangangapa siya, no? Kung paano yung approach. Pero at least nandito na somewhat, no? Meron ng lakas ng loob. And you're gonna be surprised na okay, ganun lang pala, kailangan lang palang i-trigger kita. I feel like trigger mo dito si person and dito mo masasabi na, nag-click, no? Kung ano ba yung plano ko. Kasi with the Temperance, somewhat lumalapit siya, no? Maybe tiptoeing, pero at least, no? Yung approach, nag-a-approach. Yan. So this is your reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.